Have you ever felt an unseen presence, perhaps a negative energy within your home? Maybe you've wondered how to cleanse your living space of such energies. It's possible, and the process is simpler than you might think. Firstly, consider the water you will use in this cleansing process. You can bless the water yourself, or you can obtain holy water from a place of worship. The key here is intention. The water you use should be blessed, either by you or by a higher power. Moving on to the second step, you should sprinkle the blessed water along the sills of all windows and doors in your home. It's crucial to do this for every entrance to your home, as each one can potentially be a gateway for unwanted energies. Before you sprinkle the water, however, there's a preparatory step you need to perform. Spread a line of salt along the sills of your windows and doors. Let the salt sit for 36 to 48 hours. The salt serves as a powerful absorber of the energies you're trying to dispel. After the salt has been in place for the required time, use a clean, unused broom to sweep it away. Each sweep is symbolic, representing the removal of negative vibrations within your dwelling. It's important to remember that the broom should be new or unused. The virginity of the broom, so to speak, enhances the efficacy of this process. In addition to salt and water, garlic plays a crucial role in this cleansing ritual. Burn the garlic, as its scent is repellent to negative astral forms. This process is akin to showing these unwanted entities the exit, making it clear they are not desired within your home. When blessing the water, you might express words of love to the One Creator, or simply thank the higher power for its gift. As you sprinkle the water, you might say, "We give thanks to the One Creator for the gift of water." Over it, the Creator moves its hand and stirs its will to be done. While laying the salt, you might state, "We praise the One Creator which gave to salt the ability to enable those friends to which we wish to bid farewell to find a new home." As you sweep, you could say, "We praise the One Creator and give thanksgiving for the spiritual cleanliness of this dwelling place." Finally, as the garlic burns, you might declare, "We give thanks to the One Creator for the gift of spiritual cleanliness in our dwelling place, and seal the departure of all those who have left by this exit, by the consuming of this substance." Remember, each step in this process carries its own weight and importance. The cleansing of a home is not just about physical cleaning, it's also about maintaining a positive energy within your living space. By following these steps, you can create a home that radiates positivity, harmony, and peace.